Hello everybody, this time I want to be very clear. We're going to create a run rate for sales tracking with QlikView 11 for developers. First we need to obtain information from somewhere. Because I don't have a system, I create a database called Utopia because it's fictional, and I created 4 tables: order items, users, customers, products. I create some constraints, foreign keys. After that I insert 5 users, 20 customers, 10 products, and 10,000 records for random information. I will leave this on the description so you could download it. Okay, after execute this we will create a diagram like this: items, user, customer, products. It will contain our information necessary. I want to show you this query. Okay, as you can see, this is our fact table: a person, product, client, which price, and when, which date. Okay, let's go to QlikView. QlikView, maximize this, new, close this, and Ctrl E to open the editor, and select new, facts, whatever name you want. This time we'll connect with a SQL Server database, so I will click here, connect, to choose SQL Server native client, next, and to select my server or wherever you have your database. Blank, XA, test connection, succeed, accept, and it will generate our connection string. Let's add script. I have it here. I'm going just to copy and paste it. So I'm going to explain what it does. Okay, makes this select to our order items table and select these fields, these columns. There is a restriction that created plus equals then July 1st, because we're going to make a run rate for the second half of the year, and it's ordered by date created accidentally, so I can take the min date, who is the first record, and the max date, who is the last record. This is how QlikView works. I select salesperson table, customers, and users. I forgot users. I forgot products, excuse me. Let's paste it. Okay, let's click on reload. I need to change my document. Okay, run rate version 3. Save. This is working. Okay, accept, Ctrl T to see our diagram. Here we've got order items, salesperson, customers, products, all linked by name. QlikView makes links by name. So close, Ctrl E to go to the editor again. As you can see, I had to rename some fields in order to match with other fields of the other tables to make the links. Perfect. Let's suppose we have our budget in a Excel file. Text files, select the file, have this information: salesperson 2, who has person A, B, C, D, and his or her daily budget. Well, we need to strictly make this our primary key, or this depend on the information we have on our database. As you can see, person D, person B, person A is the name of our salesperson, so we need to match this name with the ones on the Excel file. I will use this column because it's the same name in order to make that link. In labels, select embedded labels because first row is headers, and select finish. Okay, let's change this. Budget, this is the name of the table. Erase this because we don't need it, and let's change this as the name of our salesperson. This person, Ctrl C, in order to make the link. Ctrl V, reload, accept, Ctrl T, and here we've got our diagram. It's a snowflake diagram. Well, close it, and let's Ctrl E, new tab, master calendar. Okay, and let's put this code. Let's paste it. Here I've got my master calendar. Look that it makes a loop from the min day until the max date. Then we create a link by the date created of the order items table, and we generate weeks, year, month, quarter, and halves. Let's reload. I will leave this on the description. Let's look now at our diagram. Order items, master calendar, products, salesperson, customer, salesperson is linked to his budget, and it's okay. Let's add a chart. Okay, let's choose a combo chart. By now we press next because we're going to make a run rate by salesperson. Select salesperson as dimension. Next will be show the edit expression window equals sum payment, because payment is the field who has the sales. Accept sales as name. Next, 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 and here we're going to choose money. Finally, okay, this is sales by person A, B, C, D, E for this second half of the year. Let's add another dimension, properties, another expressions, add equals, this will be the budget by the second half, so equals daily budget times date 31 December 2015 less date 1st July 2015. Okay, let's put budget, and in bar number budget money style horizontal accept. And here we've got our sales and our budget for this second half of the year. Properties, expressions, values and data points, values and data points. Okay, this is, but well, we need to show this in percentage. So properties, and I'm going to copy this, Control C, and let's copy here. Percentage equals sum this divided and this, and let's click OK. Okay, it's very slow because percentage is between 0 and 1. Properties, let's delete this by now, and let's go to number, change to integer, show as percentage, and accept. 40%, 42% of sales versus the budget. So let's add something else. Properties, expressions, let's select this, not the equal sign, Control C, cancel, and let's go to settings, variable overview, add E stand for expression, sales, budget, percentage. Okay, select this variable, and here paste OK. So properties, expressions, comment it, and let's choose our variable we recently created. Okay, the $sign means that this variable will be read as expression like this, not as a literal. Okay, accept, and there is no changes because we just make it this expression on a variable. Properties, add a second equals. So let's make a condition if percentage $, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, bigger than 1, then 0, else let's copy this, 1 less minus this. If percentage is bigger than 1, we will erase that bar. Otherwise we will put the 1 minus the percentage, because it's what salesperson need to reach in order to get the target. Okay, and here it's in percentage, properties, let's change this to a bar. Okay, in number let's change in this expression to integer. Okay, and here in expression we put budget. Okay, this is what the person has sold, and this is what is reminded. So let's do this. Properties, presentation, style, stocked. Okay, we now can see the enrichment. Okay, finally, properties, expressions, last one equals this. I had this time will be static. Okay, is the days elapsed since July 1st divided the total days. This time I'm using static code, but in the future we could, in the next tutorial we could use variables equals. Okay, and let's choose line symbol, and let's select square field, accept properties, and let's give this a name. Well, just let's add some information to show what is this. This is half, the half do. Okay, choose month, and this is the second half, and there are information for July, August, September, October. This will be walking through the time, the line of time and the sales of person. So we could add something else like theme, layout, apply theme, choose wherever you want. Okay, and let's change just one thing, this expressions course color, let's change it to red to see it clearer. Okay, and well, this will be moving when time goes by. This time is static. In the next tutorial we will make it dynamic. Well, this is all for today. I hope you have liked it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.